Have you ever wondered why Mars is red? You're about to find out. Firstly, Mars is comprised of a variety of rocks and minerals, a lot like our home planet, Earth. One mineral that is particularly abundant on the Martian surface is iron. This iron, when it comes into contact with the thin Martian atmosphere, undergoes a process similar to the rusting we see here on Earth. On our planet, when objects made of metal, such as nails or cars, are exposed to oxygen and moisture, they can rust, developing a distinctive reddish-brown color. In the same vein, the iron-rich rocks and dust on Mars oxidize or rust, giving the planet its iconic reddish hue. Think of Mars as an immense playground, but instead of being covered in the sand, you and I know it's covered in red sand. Now, to better understand this, we'll break down the process. We begin with the iron on Mars. The planet has an abundance of iron in its rocks and soil. This iron, much like the iron in a bicycle left out in the rain, reacts with elements in the Martian atmosphere. Next, we have the oxidation process. The iron on Mars, when it comes into contact with the thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, undergoes a chemical reaction known as oxidation. This is similar to how metal rusts here on Earth, but the unique conditions on Mars lead to a more widespread reddish coloration. Following oxidation, we get the formation of iron oxide, or what you and I would call rust. Iron oxide has a red or reddish-brown hue, and when it covers the surface of Mars, it gives the entire planet a reddish tint. Finally, these iron oxide particles act like millions of tiny mirrors reflecting sunlight. This reflection enhances the red color, making Mars appear even redder, especially when viewed from a distance. While iron oxide is a significant contributor to Mars's color, it's worth noting that there are other factors at play. The Martian soil contains a mix of minerals, and the interaction between these minerals and the atmosphere also contributes to the overall color palette of the planet. In summary, the primary reason Mars is red is due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. The iron goes through a rusting process when exposed to the thin Martian atmosphere, resulting in the unique reddish color that has fascinated astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. So the next time you gaze at the night sky and spot the red planet, remember that its striking and iconic red glow is all thanks to its rusty surface.